Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this episode, we are going to resume the vlogs from my Adelaide trip. In this first part, I'll show you some behind the scenes of the photo shoots that we do for my business and my personal branding.
We're going to go to a second location. Location number 2. I feel like you need options. Yeah. So how did you pull this together, Jay? Tell me. Every time I've tried to take film here, it's very difficult to make it as beautiful as it really is. But we're working together to make it happen. And we've got outfit 3, location 3.
So let me give you a little bit of background about what this is all about. My photo shoots have a two-tiered benefit to them. The first part is this. As a social media consultant, I like to use different platforms for the thing that they are good for. For example, Instagram is for pictures. So I'll be using some of these images for my Instagram. The second benefit is that all of these images allow me enough branded content for online publications and guest speaking events.
Break time! I'm just going to say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please pop them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Day 4 of Adelaide, and guess what? I'm back here at Henley Square, but today we are trying Melt. This place is super new. Thank you.
I don't know if I've ever told you, but I mostly work remotely, which means that I'm not really bound to any type of office. I guess some of you might have seen some of my videos where I talk about leaving my old job as a flight attendant to build something which still allows me to travel and make a living. That's how I ended up in social media marketing, and that's what allows me to spend my working hours in places like this or any other place I'd like to work. Now, let me show you a bit more of Adelaide.
It is Friday night and it's 7:37 p.m. here.
I don't know if you've noticed, but the sun sets really late, like 8:30 p.m.
We are going to the Royal Croquet Club. We are heading to an area called North Adelaide. North Adelaide is an inner city suburb. What are we expecting?
A good vibe, I think.
A good vibe?
A lot of people. Hopefully.
Do you think good food? Should we? I hope so, because I haven't eaten.
I would say the food will be good. Just because we're in Adelaide anyway.
I'll be honest with you, the weather tonight is, it's feeling... Oh, you reckon?
Yeah.
I do feel a bit chilly, and really I actually extended my stay here in Adelaide to show you more of the places. I was meant to go home 4 days ago. The Royal Croquet Club is across the river, so we're going to go up that way. The hardest thing so far has been looking for a car park, but then we didn't realise there was an actual dedicated car park. I always expect parking to be like $30 plus, because in Brisbane that's kind of what it is, whereas here we just parked at this dedicated car park. It was like $11 for 2 hours. What a bargain.
Welcome to the Royal Croquet Club. This is part of the Adelaide Fringe Festival, which happens annually between February to March. It's a really cool setup and has lots of really good food, drinks and different types of performances.
We're going there. Food. To the tuck shop, kebabs.
Adelaide?
Probably.
You're lucky half knew it.
What are you doing?
I'm on the gram. Working at my hashtags. Oh.
What is this? Burger Theory?
Crap. What's the verdict?
Oh, look at this. Look how nice it is. Where are we?
North Adelaide.
We're going to go walk back to the car. Turns out we took the wrong way. So it was an extra long walk.
Yep, but it's a good walk though, so it worked out well.
It's now 9:30, which means it's well past the bedtime.
In 12 hours we're going to be
oh my
in
God,
the middle
don't
of our
even
workout.
say. Don't even say. They've been scaring me about this whole Hollywood workout. Like, it's 60 minutes. It's so sweaty. I'm like, don't ruin my frame of mind.
Think positive.
Think positive.
But you're going to die.
Think positive, but you're going to die.
Dude, what's that? Come say hello. It's for a blog.
A vlog?
Say hello to Christine's followers on YouTube.
Hello.
Alright, let's call it a night for now, and I'll catch you guys in the next Adelaide episode.